I'm Bobby Huynh, and let's queer up entertainment. Chappell Roan Advocacy sparks new mental health hotline. Nearly 1 year after calling out the music industry's lack of mental health support on the Grammy stage, Chappell Roan's Advocacy has helped spark a new lifeline for artists. On Tuesday, nonprofit Backline Care launched Beeline, a dedicated crisis hotline for music industry professionals. The hotline and text line connect artists with counselors trained specifically to support those working in music. A 2025 Music Care survey found suicidal ideation rates among music industry professionals are more than double those of general U.S. population. Backline credits Roan's 2025 Grammy speech with helping set the stage for the initiative. After winning Best New Artist, Roan donated $25,000 to Backline's We Got You program, with Charlie XCX and Noah Kahan matching her gift. Sponsors now include Spotify and Live Nation. At the Grammys, Roan demanded industry accountability, saying, quote, "Sole record labels need to treat their artists as valuable employees with a livable wage and health insurance and protection," end quote. Roan, who has spoken openly about living with severe depression, continues to prioritize mental health, both her own and others.
Before you say, that's all I have to do is give somebody finally putting their money where their mouth is.
Yes, and well, as someone who also struggles with mental health, so I really appreciate Ms. Roan's initiative to dedicate some of the money and the resources to establish something for her own industry.
Yeah,
absolutely.
I mean, there are just so many, especially in the place arts industry is especially hard because you don't get, there's a union, but not all of us are in, not all of
many of them don't have health insurance.
Exactly.
Bravo, Chappell Roan. And maybe I was thinking, maybe Taylor Swift could maybe kick in some cash too.
I'm sure there's going to be a lot more fundraising going on. Again, this shows that we're in a time that we can't rely on the government to take care of its people. So it's grassroots efforts like this and many others in our community as well that, take care of our people. The music industry is a tough industry, and it
can be. And one thing I do want to say, I'm glad that she's working with a nonprofit that's focused on this.
Yes.
She's not trying to create her own nonprofit. She's not trying to fund some random nonprofit. I won't name names, random LGBTQ rights organizations. But she's going with an actual one. Now, I will give her a little bit of a hard time on one thing though. She has a net worth of $10 million. She put in $25,000. The other two, so $75,000 maybe. That's very cute for a nonprofit. That's